Hello everyone, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. Today I am going to give some important questions on what haloalkanes and haloarenes. This is your what assessment work. Okay, you have to make a separate notebook. In that you have to write 2 times. Okay, up to January 15 you have to write. If college opens in the first week of January, don't worry, but you have to bring on what January 15th if college open is there. Okay, otherwise don't bring. Okay. Keep with you only. Okay, in this case I am going to give a 1 marks question, after that 2 marks question and 3 marks question on what haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, just I am going to read out the questions. Okay, you have to write 2 times question with answer. You have to write every means in this case every question having most important, means every question is the most important questions. Okay, these questions are asked in what previous PU board exam. Okay, I am going to give some clues in this case. Okay, means in this case what they are going to give a 1 marks question, means chemistry means there is no full of 5 marks question. There must be a compulsory what 3 plus 1 like that, like this, otherwise 3 plus 2 plus 1 means 3 plus 2 is 5, otherwise 3 plus 1 means what totally 5, means they are going to ask you 5 marks question, means compulsory. In this case what there is a what sub questions are there, by chance they are going to ask you what 2 plus 1 also. Okay, in that time you have to write compulsory, means every point is important in chemistry, but in other subjects is not like that. Other subject means they are going to ask you what full 3 marks, otherwise they are going to ask you what full 5 marks question, but in chemistry is not like that. Okay, there is no full 5 marks question. Okay, compulsory what there is a sub questions. Just here in this case what the important question heading, this is what haloalkanes and haloarene topic. Okay, PVC second year. Okay, in this case what totally how many questions are there? 7 questions are there, but in this case sub questions also are there. Okay, just here in this case what first question is there, this is a 1 marks question. I mentioned marks here, 1 marks, in this case 3 marks, this is a 2 marks, again in this case also what 2 and 3 marks are there. Just here first you do one work, you have to write question, you have to write question. This question compulsory you have to write in what notebook. Why we use only metal fluorides in Swarts reaction? This is called most important indirect questions. Okay, in this case what they are asking, why you use only metal fluorides? You know very well about that Swarts reaction. One more is there what Finkelstein reaction. In Swarts reaction compulsory you are going to use a metal fluorides. They are going to ask you why. It's very simple answer. I will tell you here only, because fluoride is a more electronegative. You know very well about that. Okay, metal fluoride means one, in this case fluoride means what fluorine. Fluorine is a more electronegative atom. It can replace the less electronegative atom. That's why in this case they are going to use what metal fluorides. Then only this Swarts reaction is takes place. If you are not going to use a metal fluorides, okay, that time you are going to face a difficult for what this reaction. This question I explained in my YouTube channel video. Okay, go to that video, go to playlist. In that case you are going to get a Swarts reaction video. Okay, don't worry, just follow that one. You have to write very simple, means what in this case fluorine is a main important role. Okay, the next after that what, which would undergo SN1 reaction faster in the following pair? They are given 2 example here. Out of these 2, which one can undergo faster SN1 reaction? You know very well about that SN1 reaction is having a 2 steps reaction. Okay, SN1 is having a 2 steps reaction. Okay, that is first step is what, there is a formation of carbocation. After that what, second step there is a attack on what nucleophile attack on what carbocation. These 2 steps are most important. But in this case which one can which carbocation can undergo faster SN1 means what, you know about that tertiary, secondary, primary, after that what CS3. But in this case just see here, in this case I am going to break this one. I am going to break this one means just here in this case what happens, CS2 is there, Br is there, just I am going to break this Br, means what, there is a formation of carbocation. Our first step is what, formation of carbocation. No, there is a formation of what, carbocation like this. Okay, in this case what, CH2 plus charge is there. Okay, in this case what happen, most important is what in this case, resonance. Out of these 2 I will tell you answer here only. This can undergo faster for SN1 reaction, not this one, reason here. In this case what happen, here is bond is there, if you want you can write like this also, no problem. Here bond is there, this bond donate here, again this bond come here. In this case what happens, resonance takes place. In this case resonance takes place. Where there is a resonance is there, that is what, more stable carbocation. That is why in this case what, this is called what, most important, this benzyl bromide is there, no, this can undergo what, SN1 reaction faster compared to this one. Just here in this case also there is a formation of what, carbocation, no problem. Okay, here is there CH2 plus, but in this case there is no bond, there is no bond. This is having a what, bond, but this is cyclohexane do not having any bond. That is why in this case there is no resonance possible. There is no resonance possible means what, that carbocation is not that much stable. So that is why this can undergo faster for what, SN1 reaction. Okay, is it clear? Okay, you have to write this one. They are asking reason or what, just they are asking which one would undergo, means just you have to write this one. Now this can undergo faster SN1. If you want you can write reason also, because in this case there is a formation of carbocation, that is benzyl carbocation. That benzyl carbocation is a what, more stable for resonance. Is it clear? Okay. The next after that, third question is, why is the solubility of haloalkanes in water is very low? If you are going to take a haloalkanes, if you are going to take a water, the water is mixed with what, haloalkanes, that water is not soluble in haloalkane. Why they are asking. Okay, in this case very simple. Most important point, this haloalkane, when this haloalkane mix up with what, water, what happen in this case? So in water having a hydrogen bond already, that hydrogen bond is going to break, that hydrogen bond is going to break when we are going to add a haloalkanes. Okay, hydrogen bond is break means what, after that this haloalkanes and water molecule there is no hydrogen bonding. That is why there is no soluble, means almost very low soluble. I think you have not understand. Rx is there, Rx is indicate what, haloalkanes. Next after that in this case what, water is there. In this case when haloalkanes I am going to add into the water, automatically what happen in this case, what, this water molecule having a hydrogen bond is going to break. Hydrogen bond is going to break. If hydrogen bond is going to break, after that there is no hydrogen bond formation between what, this haloalkanes and water molecule. Solubility means what, there must be a formation of hydrogen bond, then only that is soluble. There is no hydrogen bond, there is no solubility. That is why in this case most important. How we are going to write in examination, only 1 marks is there, no, means if you want you can write there is no hydrogen bonding formation between haloalkanes and water molecule. That is enough, no, answer. Okay, otherwise if you want to extend this one, means when we are going to add a haloalkanes into water molecule, automatically there is a what, cleavage or a breaking of water molecule. After that there is no formation of water molecule between haloalkanes and H2. Okay, this is what, case close, important. Next after that fourth one is there. The fourth one direct question, A and B, in this case sub question is there. No, this is having a 3 marks, this is having a 2 marks. Totally these two questions 5 marks. Explain Sandmeyer reaction, it is there in notes, you have to write. After that explain fatigue reactions with equation. With equation means explain fatigue reaction, they are asking 2 marks, you have to write fatigue reaction equation. After that you have to write naming, otherwise you have to write explanation. Okay, that is important for 2 marks. The next question number 5th, in this case explain SN2 mechanism with an example. Explain SN2 mechanism with an example means what, you have to take directly what I told in a regular video. Okay, in that you have to take any example, you have to take chlorine or a bromine. Okay, after that you have to write, after that compulsory you have to mention the what are namings are there, no. For example, chloromethane is there, bromomethane is there. After that there is formation of intermediate product. All those points you have to write compulsory at the below of that structure. Okay, after that second, aryl halides are extremely less reactive towards a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Give 2 reasons. This is the most important point. Every year they are asking in a PU board. Okay, that is why you have to write 2 reasons. There are how many reasons are there? Totally 4 reasons are there, no. But in this case they are asking a 2 marks. You have to write 2 reasons. Otherwise you have to write all the reasons also. No problem. Okay, very simple, means don't explain all the things. Okay, just you have to write 4 points. Okay, that is most important. Okay, I explained that is also most important. Okay, in a regular video only. Next 6, question number 6. After that 7 is there. 6a, write the equation for the, what is that? Write the equation for the steps in SN1 mechanism of the conversion of tertiary butyl bromide. This is the most important, bear in mind. They are asking what tertiary butyl bromide is converted into tertiary butyl alcohol. Majority of the students, what they are going to do in examination, regularly they are practicing chloride. Okay, what kind of chloride? Tertiary butyl chloride. But in PU board they are asking what? Bromide. In that case compulsory you have to take bromine, don't take chlorine. That is why that is most important. This is compulsory, they are asking 3 marks question. No, you have to read question twice. If you are not understanding, you have to read twice. What they are asking? They are asking you have to take bromide is the starting material. But in our regular video, what we told? Chlorine. I don't know, in my video I have taken bromide or chloride. Okay, you have to check that video. If bromide is there, you have to write as it is. If chloride is there, just you have to replace that chloride and add right answer for this question. Okay, is it clear? Next, B part, this is sub question, this is 3 marks, this is 2 marks, just here. Explain the Wurge reaction. Okay, explain the Wurge reaction, you have to write reaction, after that you have to write naming. Okay. Next, after that 7, question A, explain dehydrohalogenation. Okay, this is important. Dehydrohalogenation, removal of hydro and halogen, indirectly what? Sedgwick rule is there, no, that is only dehydrohalogenation. You called Sedgwick rule, you called what? Gestive rule, otherwise you have to call beta elimination reaction. All the names are same. Okay, in this case what they are asking? Dehydrohalogenation. Next, after that, the 7th one, explain Friedel-Crafts reaction. They are asking Friedel-Crafts reaction, not they are asking Friedel-Crafts acylation. Means explain Friedel-Crafts reaction means you have to explain what? Alkylation, otherwise you have to write acylation, otherwise you have to write both, no problem. Okay, but 2 marks is there, you have to, in this case I think this is a indirect question. Indirect means explain Friedel-Crafts reaction means what? In this case 2 are there, one is alkylation is there, another one is acylation is there, you have to write any one. Okay, but in examination they are not going to ask you what indirectly such kind, particularly they are going to ask you alkylation or acylation. Okay, up to this what, this is the important questions, assessment work for PUC second year students. You have to write 2 times. Okay, this is you have to write 2 times, 2 times seems enough. Okay, you have to write in a separate book. Okay, okay friends, next topic is there alcohol and phenol ether. Tomorrow I will give important questions on alcohol, phenols and ethers. Okay. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Take care.